Do you know in NEET 2019, 80% of the questions is just asked from 18% of the syllabus? You wonder how. If you want to know the secret, let us watch the video. Let us know how to crack NEET in 15 days. Most of the students nowadays they are eagerly running towards their goal to achieve the goal. The goal is to become a doctor. How you can become a doctor? The only thing is to crack the NEET. If you crack the NEET, then only you can become a doctor. Let us put some light on the subjects of NEET. We know that in NEET there are three subjects. The first one is biology, the second is physics, and the third one is chemistry. Let us see the number of questions which is asked in the exam for the particular subjects. There are 90 questions in biology. There are 45 questions in physics. There are 45 questions in chemistry. This is a brief explanation about the number of questions which are asked in NEET exam for a particular subject. Let us see the next subject, that is biology. We know in NEET they will ask 90 questions from biology. The first is human physiology. The second is genetics and evolution. The third one is cells. Fourth is diversity in living organism. And the fifth one is structural organization in plants and animals. The sixth is reproduction. Seventh one is plant physiology. Eighth is ecology and environment. Ninth is biology and human welfare. Let us see the percentage of question or the occupancy of question, that is in human physiology 20%, genetics and evolution 18%, cells 9%, diversity in living organism 14%, structural organization in plants and animal 6%, reproduction 9%, plants and physiology 9%, ecology and environment 6%, biology and human welfare 9%. These are the brief description and the percentages of marks that are asked in NEET 2020 for biology subject. After seeing this all those chapters, first what you need to do, read all the content of NCERT for the given chapters, practice the question of NCERT exercises, at the same time practice exam planner of NCERT, practice 30 years paper of AIIMS and NEET. That will be more helpful and more beneficial for you to get a maximum marks in NEET 2020. Now let us discuss about the physics subject. We know that in physics we have total 45 questions that should be covered, but those 45 questions are divided in different chapters. Let us see the chapters with the help of must do, that is compulsorily you have to practice these chapters. The first one is semiconductor. The total occupancy of semiconductor is 10%. How you can achieve those 10% marks of semiconductors? What are the topics that you should cover? Complete all logical gate problems, junction diode problems, rectifier problems, transistor problems. At the same time, practice NCERT solution. Read the summary of NCERT from the chapter semiconductor. That will be more helpful to you. Let us see the next chapter, that is thermodynamics. The total occupancy of thermodynamics is 10%. What are the topics that you should cover, or what are the problems that you should practice to occupy or to get 10% marks or 10% coverage of the paper? That is practice expansion and calorimetry problems, kinetic theory of gases, first and second law of thermodynamics, gases, properties of gamma, alpha, beta. Next is electrostatics. The total occupancy or total percentage of electrostatics is 9%. The topics that you should cover in electrostatics: practice the problem of electropotential, electrocapacitance, dielectric constant. These are at the same time you practice NCERT questions and read the summary of NCERT from the same chapter. Let us go to the next chapter, that is optics. Optics is one of the most important chapter in physics. The total percentage of marks that you will get from optics, that is 10%. Optics is divided into two parts, that is, one is ray optics, one is wave optics. Practice all up to 10 years question paper of NEET. At the same time, read the complete theory of NCERT and the summary. Also practice the questions of critical angle, refraction, reflection and refractive index. Next is EMI and AC. The total occupancy of EMI and AC is 8% marks. Practice all the questions from the textbook of NCERT, read the summary, and the next is current and electricity. Current and electricity is 6% coverage of the paper. Practice Kirchhoff law problems, circuit problems, series, parallel, all circuit problem you have to practice. And the next one is modern physics. In modern physics, we have two important topics. One is nuclei and atoms. Read all the content of NCERT. Practice all summary problems of NCERT. That will be more beneficial or to get good marks in modern physics. The next and the last in must do session, that is magnetism. Practice the horizontal earth problem. Read the NCERT text. Read summary. As I am saying, read summary because last year in 2009, 2 to 3 questions are asked from the same chapter from NCERT summary. Let us see about do. In do we are writing those chapters which you have to practice only the 10 years question papers. The first one is measurement, the second is oscillations and wave, and the third one is kinematics. In kinematics we have straight line motion in a straight line, then the fourth one is rotation, and the fifth one is gravitation. So these are the must do and do chapters. These are the very important chapter. Must do chapters. You have to practice all the question which I said to you. At the same time, in must do, practice the questions of NCERT, exam planner of NCERT, and at the same time read the summary. The next subject is chemistry. In chemistry we know NEET paper they will ask 45 questions. That chemistry is also divided into two parts, must do chapters and do chapters. In must do we have the first chapter, that is coordination compound. The total occupancy of coordination compound, the total percentage of question of coordination compound is 9%. And the next chapter is thermal equilibrium. The total occupancy of thermal equilibrium is 8%. Next we have SPDF blocks. The total occupancy of SPDF block is 10%. The next chapter is solutions. Solution, the total occupancy is 4%. They will ask the question of molarity, mole fraction, normality. The next is solid state. The total percentage of solid state is 4%. Practice the question of Bragg's equation. The next is alcohol, phenol and ether. The total occupancy of alcohol, phenol and ether is 4%. Practice the questions. Then next is we have aldehyde and ketones, that is 4%. Next is general organic chemistry. The total occupancy is 8%. These are must do chapters. Now let us see how to do these chapters, how to practice those chapters. First, AIIMS 30 years question paper and NEET 30 years question paper to practice all those questions. Read the complete summary of all these chapters from NCERT textbook. Try to practice exam planner questions. That will be more helpful never miss our videos, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified and smash that like button.